Earning Labs presents a webinar on the blueprint of ranking and monetizing with foreign SEO by Gaurav Jaggi. Before we begin, make sure to join our group and subscribe to the channel for more. Group link is available in the description below.
तो आज का जो हमारा वेबिनार है, today's webinar is about the blueprint of ranking and monetizing with foreign SEO. It's the third time I'm saying it because of my airports. And in this webinar, basically we'll cover an untested, or you can say a less tested aspect of SEO, which is foreign SEO. In this, I will tell you about keyword research, domain and site setup, content, link building, monetization, and see, this method I'm sharing just for the, mostly for like people who are like, struggling with blogging, who cannot who are not able to make their first $500 or $1,000 a month, and one like, who really want to support their family especially. But if you're a successful blogger and if you have a team and everything, you can always scale this method. So that's the good thing about this method. What will you achieve with this method? You can reach $500 to $1,000 per month in 3 months. That's, if you're going to work hard and if you're going to follow this method step by step, then you can reach 500 or 1,000 or even more in 3 months. And it will take minimum investment. And we'll focus on our strength, that is backlinks. See, being Indians, we are not native speakers, right? Maybe some of the native speakers are listening to it, but content is generally not our forte. But I've seen that, many bloggers, they can easily make forum links, comment links, profile links, these easy kind of backlinks. So we can, in this method, we can just focus on our strength, which is backlinks. And the content strategy is going to be really easy. There is no upper limit to how far you can go. As I said, you can scale this method and you can, improvise, you can add, you can make a number of sites. And there's no AdSense ban issue. That's the best thing about this method. What resources do you need? All you need is an Ahrefs trial account and $100 to $200 of investment. That's all you need, right? If you want to implement this method, you don't need more than, $100 or $200 of investment. And this is pretty easy, pretty cheap for most of people. We can afford this amount. And most profitable geos. So in this, basically there are several methods like this that I have got, and I will be sharing them in my upcoming webinars. But in this method, we are going to focus on French and German markets, which are the most profitable for this kind of method. Who are we? This presentation is brought to you by myself, Gaurav, and Himanshu Saxena, who has been my business partner for good like 5, 6 years. We have built and sold our first niche blogs in 2010. And for the next 8, 9 years, we have ranked several highly competitive micro niche websites. And now we have created Installertize, which is a PPI network to monetize desktop traffic. And you might know us by show, and you can just fill in the blank. If you are in the same niche or you are smart enough, you can just fill in the blank. I will not do that for you. So the first part of this presentation is keyword research. So how do you find these untapped keywords, or how do you find the keywords in these foreign niches which can profit you and which can bring in these $500 or $1,000 per month? And so I'm going to show you that. So we are going to use Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, and this is like a trial account also. And you can choose your geo, France or Germany. I'll show you an example on France itself, and you will need Google Translate. So we'll pick some seed terms like PC, download, for PC, for Windows, and these kind of terms. And we'll first translate these seed terms into their French version, and then we will put it here. So PC, it's called PC in France. So we'll put it here, and we'll click on the search button. Having same terms, keyword difficulty. So I'm telling you these filters that I use. You can always improvise and use different kind of filters. So keyword difficulty 0 to 25, and volume can be 1,000 minimum to maybe up to like 30,000 maximum, because beyond that you will get really highly competitive keywords. Yeah, so I've got these keywords. So basically what we are doing is we are finding out these apps, these softwares, these games which people want to download on PC, right? And they're like in trends. So let's pick up a keyword randomly. Let's say let's look at Minecraft PC. So it has a search volume of 16,000, which is 16,000 search volume is huge in French market. Looking at the kind of numbers that we are trying to achieve, and the keyword difficulty is only 19. So I look at the SERP directly from here. The problem with this keyword is there are, these are these official sites ranking, high DR sites. So I will not choose this keyword right away. Let's see GTA 5 for PC. The keyword difficulty is just 6. So maybe it's good enough for us. Again, these big, video sites are ranking. The first two already also have 30 to 40 backlinks, and Amazon and all these sites are ranking. So it's also not very good for us. These SERP results are also interesting because you see there are 2 forums ranking on the 3rd and 4th position, and of course this is like a high DR site, right? But apart from this site, this site is not even targeting the exact keyword Shazam PC, right, in the own page, in the title. And apart from that, there are so many SERP results who are not targeting the exact same keyword. So you can absolutely go for this keyword. It will be a little hard to rank, but it will be quite competitive, quite profitable, I can assure you. Fortnite PC, Valorant PC maybe. Just look at it. This is, I think, it's not a game or an app probably. So I will skip it. So like this, you can just go through this list, and you can, you can create a list for yourself. We can use different C terms also, like for PC. It's called for PC in French, and I put it here. The same keywords, filters 0 to 25, and the volume we need at least 1,000, and maximum is say 20,000. So I do get some keywords, some interesting keywords there, like telecharger, Google Home for PC. In the SERP results, there's this menu play ranking, there's this forums and all ranking. I think it's a fine keyword to to target. Of course, this is Google Play, but remember, it's not targeting your keyword. Like telechargers, Google Home for PC, it's not in the SEO title, so you don't have to worry about it, right? So like this, you can just go on, and you can create a list of this, create a list of keywords, and you can also use Google Trends. And you can see that उस keyword का trend तो नहीं जा रहा, right? The trend should stay. So instead of United States, let us choose France. And this I'm talking about both French and German market, right? They're both equally good. So enter a search term. Let's say that we enter Shazam, and we search it. So it's like kind of dipping down, but it's kind of constant, but kind of dipping down. And so you also have to see that Google Trends of that keyword as well, right? So let's come back to our slide. So using Keyword Explorer and the method that I have just told you, you can find these untapped keywords. You can find less competitive keywords, of course, in the French and German markets. You can put some filters. You can use Google Trends. I've told you how to use position history and similar web trending apps. You can also use similar webs to find the most trending apps in the specific market. So I've chosen France from here, and you see these are all the apps and games and softwares, whatever, that are in most trend. They are the most trendiest in France, top grossing. And so you can pick up some keywords from there. You can, choose some permutations and combinations. You can transfer Shanky for Samraswar. Samraswar is a really good keyword. I just, saw it. And let's go to the next slide. So domain and site setup. See, buying a domain in .fr or .ge. If you just go out, in the market, people will tell you that you cannot buy a French domain if you are an Indian, but that's not true. You can always use fake name generator. You can just generate some French guy name, address, and all, and then you can use it in Namecheap and you can buy the domain. And there are also a couple of services that I'll tell you about. I'll just put the link in under our YouTube video. So you can buy a country specific domain first. In the webmaster, you can do country target. Okay. And when you're starting a website, always set up the utility pages first. Like, it's pretty basic, right? This method is pretty basic. I'm telling you, there's no, there's nothing out of the world. I'm telling you, it's basic, it's easy. It's all about the niche. It's all about the keywords, and it's all about the monetization, right? So, so the utility pages you have to make about contact, privacy, all these kind of pages that make your website look trusted. And the social media profiles, you can optimize your page speed by choosing a good host, using some WordPress plugins. It's pretty easy. You just go to Google and how to optimize page speed. Always use SSL and choose a nice template. Create some author profiles so that your website starts looking trusted. Add a logo and all, right? And now comes the content. So this is the interesting part. I'm going to tell you two types of websites that you can create in this method. The first one is the macro niche website, in which you're going to cover hundreds of posts on these, on these keywords that you will be finding for French and German markets. And the first step is to create a list of keywords, of course, and your keyword list should be at least like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 keywords. And then creating a content format. So I've created a basic format for you guys. So this is the format basically. Let's say our app name is Snapchat, or software or game, whatever. How to download Snapchat for PC and Mac free. So you write and 100 words about Snapchat in the first paragraph. Guide to download Snapchat for PC. So step 1, step 2, step 3. Using BlueStack, emulator, whatever. Guide to download Snapchat for Mac. And some images and some user reviews you can pick directly from Google page, right? So what you do is you basically take this title, put it in Google Translate, and you convert it into French. So basically your title will actually be this, comment telecharger Snapchat for PC at Mac, whatever this is. So this will be your title, and your entire content will be translated, right, in your own language. Now, how do you create 50 posts a day or 100 posts a day? How do you create these thousands of posts, right? So you don't have to do much. If you have budget, then you can just find out, you can get a writer who will write 100 unique words about the app in the first paragraph. And even if you don't have that budget, that's perfectly fine. You just have to Google for Snapchat for PC, something in English, convert it into French, right? Copy it, go to Copyscape, or you can also paste it in Google, whatever, right? Paste it here, premium search. Ta-da! This is 231 words of totally original content. So you can create as much content as you want from this strategy. You just have to take an English website and you have to convert it into French or German languages, right? And see this, Google in French or Germany. First of all, it's less competitive. Secondly, it's a bit lenient, so it's not going to check, how you got that content. You translated it from somewhere or someone wrote it for you. You can always find out writers from Fiverr and all if you have budget. And the same way you can convert it into German language, right? And so you can find 100, 200, 300 whatever words from from translation. And after that, let's say that I write a step, let's say download BlueStack emulator from its official website. The second step would be find Snapchat APK on internet or download it from Google Play Store. I'm not sure about the technicalities. I'm just showing you the content structure. Okay. Run the APK in BlueStacks and your site will be, your app will be activated. Something whatever like that, right? You can write an additional, these steps. And then what you have to do, if you have to write an article on, let's say, Tinder, so just have to Control F. You have to change these terms, Snapchat from Tinder, everywhere like this. Because of course the method will like stay the same. So everywhere you can change these terms. And then you can again translate the first paragraph from one of the English websites on Tinder. And you can add some images about Tinder, right? And tada, you have got a new post. So this post is going to work perfectly well, right? And you can also, if you like, you also can pick up some features from Google Play Store and you can add it in this post. So what's going to happen when you are going to update these posts in hundreds, like, you're going to update like 500 posts, 1,000 posts a month, then this is like, you're giving more authority to your website. So in like 15 days, 20 days, 1 month, you will see a lot of small keywords, big keywords. They will start coming somewhere on some pages. And of course, I'll teach you link building, so not a worry. And so this way you can at least like post easily like 20-30 posts a day. It won't take you much time. Or you can also hire a VA if you have if you have additional budget. And there's also one more trick. You can like there are the YouTube videos and there are these speech to text converters. You can also convert speech to text in Google Translate, the mobile app. And you can also, there's some Dragon speech converter as well. So I know some friends who are who are running big websites and they just translate directly from YouTube. So especially these how-to articles and these reviews and all. So you can take content from YouTube as well. You can just you just need to create a lot of content for this website. And creating the content format, you have to publish 30 to 50 posts a day, right? You can submit so initially you just create like 20-30 posts, submit it to webmasters by a good indexer. And once these these initial posts are indexed, you can increase the posting frequency. You can publish 50, 30, whatever number of articles you want to. Now coming to the next slide. Some estimate. Yeah. So with the method that I'm telling you, with just 300 visitors of download intent from the French market, you can make $500 a month, right? And in the German market, you exactly need like double the number of visitors. So 500 to 600 visitors of download intent a day, they will easily give you $500 a month, right? From this method. Can you also create a micro niche? Of course, you can create a micro niche. So just set up a basic website, take a .g domain, and hire a writer from Fiverr. Take some gigs. And guys, if you have any questions, do not post it in the chat box, please, because it just creates disturbance. So if you have any questions, just keep noting them down. I will take it at the end of the webinar. Yeah. So can you also create a micro niche? Yes, you can. And the best thing about it is, if you find a keyword that only has a search volume of like, let's say 2,000, 3,000, do not underestimate that keyword, right? Just create a micro niche on it. If you create 10 micro niches, first of all, you accumulate these page views that you want to accumulate. So I'm not asking you to create one website and just like get 5,000 views a day, 5,000 views a day from a single website. I'm asking you, the juice of this method is you slowly accumulate these, 50 visitors a day, 100 visitors a day, 200 visitors a day. You can create it from one macro niche, or you can create it from multiple micro niches. The thing is, if it is download intent, you are going to make money, right? And once your micro niches have authority, see, you are going to build some basic backlinks for each of them. Then, you can internal link. That's a big thing. You can internal link. You can create your own entire network, and then you can ultimately rank more competitive terms. And you can also cover some related, related apps and related articles. So let's say you're writing on Telegram, so you can also, your micro niche is on Telegram, so you can write on WhatsApp, you can write on Facebook Messenger. You can internal link these articles. So with the authority, you will also it will also help you rank that micro niche. So micro niche and macro niche both are good ideas. It just depends upon the kind of keywords that you can get, right? Yeah. So the next one is link building. For this method to work, since we are focusing on content and we are not we're generating a ton of content, we don't need big links. You don't need to go into list building and do contextual links, buy homepage links, buy site-wide links, whatever. You have to do easy free links, which I think most of us know. So you can do forums, message boards. The method is very easy. So say you are into Keyword Explorer, and then you write something like Android. We're going to pick up a big website in French market that has a lot of message board links, forum links, and we can just pick up a list from there. It's really easy. So say I get a website like ztnet.fr, right? So I'm going to go into Site Explorer, and then I'm going to put this website in Site Explorer, and I'm going to go to backlinks. So in platform, you can choose message boards. Okay. First of all, you choose one link per domain, and then you choose link type, do follow. And after that, you choose this platform message boards. It will take some time because the website has a big database. So we now have around 746 do follow backlinks, and all these are forums. So you can create a create an account on this forum, and you can easily get links from here, right? Type in some good post, try to get a link from signature, try to get a link in replies, right? Make your forum profile active, and then drop a link after 3-4 days. So just get these basic backlinks Web 2.0. I told you about translated content. You can pick content from Croatia, from Spain, from Russia. You can convert it into French language or the German language, and you can create tons of Web 2.0s. And you can also find some cheap .fr expired domains for redirects from expireddomains.net. I think we have already covered a webinar in which you have been trained about how to find expired domains. So just use it. Find some free .fr expired domains for redirect, right? And you can also use some Fiverr and SEO Clerk, gigs for getting these links. You can put in Google site:5.com French backlinks, right? And these people, they're all ranking for this term. So just PM them and get some samples, कि आप किस तरह के links बनाते हो, मुझे sample भेजो, right? And उनसे links लो, अगर आपको अच्छा लगे और आपके budget में हो, of course, तो उसको ऑर्डर करो, right? And the next one is easy guest post. Just write a simple pitch in French language and approach some .fr sites. You can choose some Q&A sites, Quora ka jo, like in the French version of Quora, Yahoo question and answers, all these Q&A websites. So you can get these easy kind of backlinks. The main point is foreign niche में जो मैंने आपको बताया उसे अभी कोई target नहीं कर रहा. If 500 people or like 3,000 people will watch this webinar, how many will actually go and take action? Maybe like 1%, 2%, 5% tops, right? Or there are so many keywords to target. If you innovate, you can target a lot of keywords, and these are the backlinks that you can create for both your micro niche and macro niche, right? If you have further budget, you can just take an expired domain like $200-300 का $100 का एक expired domain ले लो अच्छा सा .fr का और उस पे content डालो, it will rank faster. But in 3 months you will see results, right? And the next one is monetization. Like how do you more? Google Ads is the old traditional method how we monetize our websites, right? And Google AdSense is really good. Like the CPC is good in French market, in German market, and but there are always chances of AdSense ban, and it's also hard to approve these sites. So you can always go for these, install networks, these distribution networks for mobile and desktop. As per the audience type, whatever kind of website that you're targeting, you can always go for these install networks. And we just did an experiment, by the way, like 1 or 2 months back, we did an experiment. I'm going to show you. So this website is techispat.com, and इस पे हमने काम नहीं किया था 2 साल से. Of course, इसका authority वगैरह अच्छी है, but we are targeting USA का market, और इस पे हमने 30-40 basic posts डाले थे original लिख के, और धीरे-धीरे all these posts have contributed, and इसका धीरे-धीरे जो traffic है वो 400-450 something पहुंच गया. And now we are going to use install networks, but अभी तक हम इस पे AdSense use करते थे, and it's just a side project of ours. It's not a main project. It's just like you can say test website. हमने test करा था कि ये कैसा काम करता है. We also have a number of .fr and .de websites जहाँ पे हम इस पे we are testing a lot so that we can share with you guys what are the results. But anyways, yeah. So the last 30 days, this website from AdSense has made like $782, and last 7 days it's made entirely from the PC desktop traffic. It's made like near to $250. So it's like $1,000 अगर ये AdSense में आ रहा है, तो I can assure you कि आराम से $1,500 to $2,000 आप बना सकते हो if you use a PPI offers on it. और आप इन दोनों को एक साथ भी use कर सकते हो, PPI for and AdSense. You can use it together, and so we are going to very soon, in a week or two, we are going to implement everything on this website. You can see it live, and we are going to scale the income. Maybe I'll share the screenshots with you guys as well, right? So that's it, guys. This was about this method, and goodies time. If you share a review of this webinar on your Facebook profile, and if you email me the screenshots, you can also use the hashtag webinar with Jax. My email is hovjax@gmail.com. I'm going to make a list of 1,000 plus well-filtered keywords, and I'm going to mail you all these keywords. And we have also planned to actually sponsor one of you and provide a properly well set up micro niche website, on a proper keyword, good content, and with a proper domain and all. And you just have to give me the screenshot and write in the email why do you want us to sponsor you, what's your plan with it, right? And that's it, guys. Cheers, work hard and have fun. COVID से बच के निकलना है. That's it. Now we can come down to question and answers. I hope you like it, and I'll prefer अगर आप जो question and answers हैं वो इस topic पे रखेंगे for now, and so that I can answer you. And Shash,
Yeah, Gaurav, you want me to cover questions? Hello?
Okay, yeah. I think some of the people, they want me to show the PPT. So let me show you the PPT, guys. This is the PPT. Don't worry, इस PPT को तो हम like, like it's not कुछ है ही नहीं. Like you can see it once more. Yeah, bro. I want you to cover the questions जो कि अभी पहले इस टॉपिक से और जो मैंने कवर करा उससे रिलेटेड हो. Any kind of questions. And आफ्टर दैट विल सी, अगर हमारे पास टाइम हुआ तो हम कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी लेंगे जो कि इससे रिलेटेड नहीं होंगे, राइट? बट
Okay, guys, if you have any question, ask inside Q&A, not inside chat. Okay, let me cover some questions that someone has already asked. Okay.
फेसबुक लाइव से भी पूछना है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go ahead.
So first question is like, do we need to worry about CPC of a keyword in research stage?
नो. सी, इस मेथड की खासियत क्या है ना कि आप पहले ही डाउनलोड इंटेंट की ऑडियंस को कवर कर रहे हो, राइट? और आप फ्रेंच मार्केट को कवर कर रहे हो. सो एडसेंस और पीपीआई दोनों मोनेटाइजेशन का यूज करके you can make money. So you don't have to worry about CPC. Like AdSense is one of the methods you are going to monetize, right? Next.
Okay. How do you judge the backlink samples?
See, this is like basic है यार, कि backlinks जो वो भेज रहे हैं उनके OBLs क्या है, वो spam तो नहीं है, सारे .fr के proper domain से हैं, comment backlinks हो सकते हैं, profile हो सकते हैं. आपके बैकलिंक्स का नेबरहुड जो है वो खराब तो नहीं है, उसमें आसपास कुछ फोन वेबसाइट एंड ऑल दोस शिटी लिंक्स, बेसिकली शिटी लिंक्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, प्रॉपर ठीक ठाक लिंक्स होने चाहिए. सो यू कैन गो फॉर इट. सी, द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिस मार्केट इज आपको ज्यादा बैकलिंक्स चाहिए ही नहीं रैंक करने के लिए. आपका कंटेंट सॉलिड है, आपका कीवर्ड रिसर्च सॉलिड है और आपका मेथड सॉलिड है, तो यू कैन रैंक विद बेसिक बैकलिंक्स, राइट? या नेक्स्ट.
Why do we need to buy the where do you buy the domain? You haven't said exactly where you buy.
You can
I think Namecheap.
You can use Namecheap. Yeah, Namecheap is like I think 800-900 rupees का domain आता है. So yeah.
Which PPI network will you recommend?
See, there are many PPI networks. आप forums पे search कर सकते हो. And I also run a PPI network in Solitize. तो अगर आप चाहो और आपको कोई like if you are interested, you can just come to me and मैं आपको download link दे दूंगा. I'll give you some good rates. So you can use that, or you feel free to use whichever network you want to. Like I just want कि you make good amount of money from this method. That's it. See some success. उसके बाद हम ऐसे और भी methods discuss करेंगे. I have a lot of methods, like I have a method in which आपको content नहीं चाहिए to like make this much money. So we'll share it in the next webinar.
Is it really scalable?
Yeah, this method is completely scalable, man, because आपको एक माइक्रो निश मिली, उससे आपने $200 पर मंथ पहुंच गए, 300 पहुंच गए, whatever 500 पहुंच गए, उसको इन्वेस्ट करो, आप दूसरी माइक्रो निश बनाओ, दूसरे को इन्वेस्ट करो, आप 10 माइक्रो निशेस बना दो, nobody is stopping you. आप एक माइक्रो निश बनाओ, आप ओरिजिनल कंटेंट डालो उस पे, आप दूसरी मैक्रो निश बनाओ, आप अपने कंटेंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ाओ, VA हायर करो, उससे पूरा लाइक क्रिएट अ लाइक कंपनी आउट ऑफ इट, व्हाटएवर. तो yeah, it is like completely scalable. You can do anything with this method.
Do we need to make separate website for one website, 30-40 posts daily?
Oh, you just need to make one website. आपको उसी वेबसाइट की अथॉरिटी बनानी है with a lot of content, with the content pattern that I have told you, or you can always innovate and come up with more content patterns. अपना unique method बनाओ और उसमें features डालो, alternatives डालो, whatever you want to, control F करके नया post बनाओ, right? And
okay. Next question is related to similar to this. Do we need to post means from the first day 50 to 100 posts per day, or is it equal means gradually we can increase the post?
सबसे पहले आपको टेस्ट करना है आपकी वेबसाइट की इंडेक्सिंग. सो जस्ट लाइक टेस्ट योर इंडेक्सिंग विद लाइक 20 to 30 पोस्ट. अच्छे से इंडेक्स हो जाता है तो उसके बाद आप कंटेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ा सकते हो, धीरे धीरे बढ़ाओ. 10 पोस्टर दे, 20 पोस्टर दे, नेक्स्ट वीक 30 पोस्ट कर दो, है ना. गूगल को टाइम दो अपनी साइट को समझने का. दैट्स इट.
जब हम गूगल ट्रांसलेटर से कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो एडसेंस अप्रूव हो पाएगा? Isn't it
हाँ,
against
कहीं
the
से भी लाइक
policy?
यार कॉपीस्केप तो वो पास कर ही रहा है, तो वो एडसेंस अप्रूवल में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती ऐसे ऐसे ब्लॉग्स में. आई हैव मैं ये वाली स्ट्रेटेजी एक्चुअली लास्ट 5-6 ईयर से यूज कर रहा हूँ, यू नो, इन माय डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ वेंचर्स. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी एडसेंस से. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. अगर एडसेंस आपका अप्रूव नहीं होता तो उसी के लिए मेथड ही है, बिकॉज यू कैन ऑलवेज यूज सीपीआई.
Yeah. Isn't bad grammar going to be an issue for Google?
Oh, that's a good question. See, जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये मेथड इज स्केलेबल. गूगल का फ्रेंच और थोड़ा सा जो जर्मन मार्केट्स है, इवन स्पेनिश, इटली, दीज मार्केट्स, ये थोड़ा सा ना लीनियंट है वहाँ पे गूगल. तो बैड ग्रामर तो कोई इशू होगा नहीं आपका. और अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो आप एक बेसिक प्रूफ रीडर हायर कर लो फाइवर से. बट बैड ग्रामर इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी एन इशू फॉर नो. और इफ यू सी, यू नो, यू विल बी क्वाइट अमेज्ड कि अगर आप देखोगे कोई भी फ्रेंच का आर्टिकल उठाओ, उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करो, लाइक इट्स क्वाइट रीडेबल इंग्लिश. यू नो, गूगल ट्रांसलेट काफी वो हो गया, एडवांस हो गया. जस्ट यूज इट.
What should be the maximum spam or backlink?
I don't understand the question, but like spammy
Yes, in a
backlinks नहीं बनाने
backlink.
यार इसमें.
Okay. Maximum spam score is asking maybe.
I don't know about spam scores. ये आपको जनरली देखना है कि बैकलिंक की नेबरहुड क्या है, OBL क्या है उस पेज का, और यू नो बेसिक्स देखने हैं आपको. और स्पैम लिंक बनाने नहीं आपको यार. बेसिक फॉरम्स बनाओ, वेब 2.0 बनाओ, खूब कंटेंट उठाओ ट्रांसलेट से, और जस्ट मेक दीज लिंक्स, उससे रैंक हो जाएगा.
Okay. Next is, can we use same technique for Amazon affiliate? Have you used it?
Yes, you can do that. I have not done it myself, but I know a few bloggers who have done it, and उन्होंने अपनी साइट जो है वो अच्छे अमाउंट में सेल की है, और they have made a lot of money out of it. So जो कंटेंट पैटर्न वाला जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, you can use it in Amazon affiliate easily, चलेगा. और I have not tested it particularly in Amazon affiliate in the French and the German markets.
Means we have to publish the 30-50 article for continuous 3 months to before we make any money?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. See, आपको धीरे धीरे पेज व्यूज एक्यूमुलेट करने हैं. आपके 50 पेज व्यूज हुए, आपने मोनेटाइजेशन लगाई, स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी. 100 पेज व्यूज हुए, थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, तो आप देखोगे धीरे धीरे आपके पेज व्यूज का ग्राफ ना बढ़ेगा. एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, यू विल लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ऑन द वे. तो आप धीरे धीरे इम्प्रोवाइज करके यू कैन, लाइक, यू नो, expand and you can improve this method.
Okay, the same question means like means have to post the article in the similar niche, or it can be different niche?
No, similar niche. That's the whole point. आपको दिखाना है ना गूगल को कि this website it's writing on a specific niche, so उसी पे वो लिख रही है, उसी पे वो authority बना रही है. And then when you internal link, तो आपकी authority और ज़्यादा improve होती है.
Very small question, but I don't know how to get approval of access for this kind of blog.
For not like this kind of blog, for any kind of blog, the approval method is same. I just suggest that you read some basic guide on Google, and I'll like won't discuss much. Your website should look good. You should have, थोड़ा बहुत आपका ट्रैफिक होना चाहिए, वेबसाइट अच्छी दिखनी चाहिए, और सारे अबाउट अस, कॉन्टैक्ट अस पेज होने चाहिए. इट शुड लुक लाइक इट्स ऑथेंटिक, राइट. अच्छी सी थीम यूज हो, पेज स्पीड अच्छी हो. ये बेसिक यूजर के लिए आप एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म बना दोगे ना वेबसाइट, तो आपको एडसेंस अप्रूवल मिलने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए. You can always buy AdSense accounts.
Another question, like, is this any way risky? There any chance of penalization or any ban?
I don't think so, because I know people who have been running websites since last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, और उनको कोई penalty नहीं लगी. So if you do it in a proper way, there is very very less chance that you're gonna get penalized. See, penalty का chance तो यार US से भी होता है, English में भी होता है, original content के साथ भी होता है. Penalty का chance तो it's everywhere. But if you do it properly, there is like next to zero chance you will get penalized. Translation, Google अभी like advanced नहीं हुआ है इतना कि वो समझ जाए कि ये translated content है. As simple as that.
Okay. Another question is, like, without backlinks, if we post only articles, 130 articles, 300 articles, per day, can we make authority?
I suggest कि आप थोड़े बहुत backlinks तो बनाएंगे. Just create some backlinks. It's very easy. Just spend 30 minutes a day, man. Just invest $100 or something. थोड़े से backlinks बना लो, authority बढ़ा दो उसकी site की. So it will just pump your traffic faster.
Okay. Another is like, can we means rely on Pinterest solely, or means do you have any tip for that?
Sorry, come again.
Means can we rely on Pinterest for getting traffic completely, or means do you have any tips for that regarding Pinterest?
I will just like I don't know. मतलब अभी मैं पहले ये वाले topic से related let's take these questions first. उसके बाद हम आएंगे. I'm not मैं अभी Pinterest पे कभी काम नहीं किया यार. मैंने like SEO पे काम करा है. तो just ask me questions related to SEO भी. Yeah.
What other geos are profitable other than France and Germany?
So Italy is profitable and Spain और Russia में बहुत ज़्यादा like you know there's a lot of traffic. But Russian search engine is like I think Yandex. तो वो Google नहीं है, right? So I think इस method के लिए just stick to FR and GR, FR and you know D.
Another is, what kind of content do you recommend for tech niche? Means to get more traffic from USA. Is it fine if we cover Indian related tech content on that website?
What kind of content do you recommend in tech niche to get more traffic from USA? Yeah, so like अगर आप इस method के साथ जा ही रहे हो तो just try to cover more like download intent की audience, right? Like you know games, tools, software, crack, apps. If you want to come into USA भी also, you know, all these. जहाँ पे भी आपको लगे कि you know there is a probability कि user आके कुछ download करेगा, right? So try to cover that kind of content.
So another question, how do you interlink your 30-40 article per day when you post 30-40 articles per day?
Should we? Sorry, come again.
Means someone is asking, how do you interlink your article when you post 30-40 posts per day?
Just use a basic like plugin. There are many interlink plugins. So अपने आप they will you know link all your articles with each other. Don't have to do it manually.
Any specific plugin do you use?
I will just confirm and let you know.
Okay.
मैं देख लेता हूँ कौन-कौन से plugins मैं use कर रहा. I'll send you a list पूरा का पूरा and we'll put it in the group.
Okay. So how many backlinks should we create every day?
कोई नंबर नहीं है. SEO में कभी कोई नंबर नहीं होता. And जितने backlinks मिल रहे हैं रोज के बनाओ 5, 10, 15, 20 whatever, right? और आप देखोगे कि धीरे-धीरे when you are creating backlinks 15-20 दिन में when you are putting a lot of content तो आपके पास page views आ रहे हैं that you need to like monetize.
Means if we are publishing so many articles, how means if there is any indexing issue we are getting, how do we fix that?
नहीं indexing issue आएगा नहीं. Just like initial phase में ना just create some social media profiles और social media profiles पे अपने articles को share करो, थोड़े बहुत links बनाओ और Google Webmaster में साइट में सबमिट करो. एक अच्छा सा कोई Google इंडेक्सर ले लो और that's it. एक बार वो इंडेक्स होने लगा तो उसके बाद आगे कभी भी इंडेक्सिंग में प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी चाहे आप 50 पोस्ट पब्लिश करो या 100.
Okay, so what are the precautions that you take to avoid risk?
What are the precautions do you take to avoid?
This to minimize the risk.
यार देखो यार यही प्रॉब्लम है कि जब हम किसी मेथड की बात करते हैं ना, जब हम एसईओ की भी बात करते हैं तो हम इस बात पे आ जाते हैं कि यार रिस्क ना हो. रिस्क तो काम ना करने में है. तो जस्ट फॉलो दिस मेथड. आप रिस्क के बारे में सोचोगे तो आपकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाएगी. आप फिर सोच समझ के लिंक्स बनाओगे, राइट? कोई रिस्क नहीं है यार. 5,000 रुपए जाएंगे, वही रिस्क है. दैट्स इट. जस्ट डू इट.
How much money can we make from 100 traffic per day from PPI network in France country?
In France, I have given you an estimate. If you can like see my screen, मैंने आपको एक estimate दिया है यहाँ पे in this slide. like अगर आपके 300 visitors हैं a day download in proper France से, you can make like around 500 a month, which is I think a very pretty good, like, you know, income stats. That's just an idea.
Okay, so means other are means not related here. Is it GDPR compliant?
GDPR क्या होता है, sorry?
Is it GDPR compliant? Someone is asking. GDPR is a policy in Europe, basically, or content information that you provide.
हाँ यार, मतलब I don't know, GDPR तो मुझे नहीं पता, but there are several bloggers who are making a lot of money from it, and उनकी वेबसाइट अच्छी चल रही है, right? हमारी खुद की टेस्ट वेबसाइट बहुत सही चल रही है, तो just go ahead with it, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Which is the best indexer in the market that you use?
जितना भी रिसोर्सेज है ना, बेस्ट इंडेक्सर एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ये मैं ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा एक साथ, प्लगइन एंड जो भी इसमें डिस्कस हुआ है, आई विल पुट इट इन द ग्रुप.
Okay, so we are done with that Q&A. Now I'm taking from group. 1 second.
Sure.
Let's just see, someone say कि I take Snapchat as a keyword. Now do I have to post 30 to 40 posts just on Snapchat?
No. Your every post will cover only one keyword.
Which translator plugin are you using?
There is no plugin, like Google Translate use करो, सीधा ये translate.google.com मस्त. I'll tell you a trick. Like I just found it. So जैसे ये आर्टिकल है ना, जैसे इसी का एग्जांपल लेते हैं, तो ये बेसिकली you can play with Google, you know, Google Translate. That's all I'm trying to explain here. So I'll copy this content and one second. Yeah, I'll copy this content और मैं इसको copy skip में डालता हूँ. I search it. तो of course ये like you know it's like copied. अभी क्या करूँगा ना, मैं इस कंटेंट को मैं कॉपी करता हूँ इंग्लिश में and then I convert it into French language. ये इसकी फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज आ गई. अब मैं इसको यहाँ से कॉपी करता हूँ और मैं translate.google फिर से खोलता हूँ. अब इस फ्रेंच को लेके राइट मैं इसको जर्मन में कन्वर्ट कर लेता हूँ. सो ये हमारी जर्मन लैंग्वेज आ गई, राइट. और उसके बाद मैं जर्मन को कॉपी करता हूँ और उस जर्मन लैंग्वेज को मैं फिर से इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ, राइट. सो आई कॉपी इट फ्रॉम हेयर और इसको मैं कन्वर्ट करके अब मैं इसको कॉपी स्क्रिप्ट में डालता हूँ. आपका 75% जो टेक्स्ट है, लाइक लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने ट्राई किया था वो कंप्लीट हो गया था. आपका 75% जो टेक्स्ट है वो ओरिजिनल बन गया. सो द ट्रिक इज इंग्लिश कंटेंट लो, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू सम अदर लैंग्वेज और उससे आप किसी और लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट करो. यू कैन यूज क्रोशिया, यू कैन यूज स्पेनिश, रशियन, व्हाटएवर, और उसको वापस इंग्लिश में ले आओ. तो आपका जो इंग्लिश वाला कंटेंट है फॉर लाइक वेब 2.0 व्हाटएवर पर्पस, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स वो वापस ओरिजिनल हो जाएगा. सो लाइक यू नो यू कैन रीराइट योर कंटेंट लाइक दिस. Next question, please.
So how much is the maximum amount you have made through this method?
Come again.
How much is the maximum amount anyone can make from this method, or you have made from this method?
There is no maximum amount. Like you can make a lot of money. You can make 100 a day, 200 a day, 500 a day.
What is the highest amount you have made?
Like we have a few websites in these markets that are like doing 200 a day, 250 a day maximum. We're not focusing much on like building our own website, but 200, 250 a day we are like easily doing.
Is it okay to go with .com domain or .fr.org is necessary?
नहीं, आपको .fr domain ही recommended है. You just need to take the country specific domain extension, वही सही रहेगा.
Okay. Now I see .com domain, and then while picking a domain name, it should be an English word or it should be a French word?
It should be a French word. Like जो ऐप का, गेम का, टूल का कोई भी जो नाम है वो फ्रांस और इंग्लिश में सेम होगा. बट उसके अलावा इफ यू आर आस्किंग कि अगर आप 4PC लगाओ या 4PC लगाओ तो फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज यूज करोगे तो इट विल बी गुड.
Will 200 to 300 words per post will be enough?
हाँ, मैंने आपको बताया ना, लाइक 100-200 वर्ड्स की तो आपकी इंट्रो ही बन जाएगी व्हेन यू ट्रांसलेट. और उसके बाद आपका 200 वर्ड्स का लाइक नीचे वो आ जाएगा, मेथड आ जाएगा. एंड उसके बाद कुछ इमेजेस आ जाएंगी. गूगल प्ले स्टोर से आप कुछ 3-4 रैंडम यूजर रिव्यूज भी उठा सकते हो, नॉट अ बिग डील. तो आपका इजीली 300-400 प्लस वर्ड चला जाएगा. एंड दैट्स इनफ फॉर दिस मेथड.
Okay. Can we flip this kind of website?
Can you flip this kind of website? I have a few buyers और मैंने कुछ like deals भी करवाई है. मेरे friends है कुछ they are like flippers और automated content वाली site चाहती है. You can like flip it. I don't know if like Flippa or Empire Flippers will accept it, but you can always sell it from different. But see, I would suggest कि अगर आप इस method को कर रहे हो तो just create a big network. Keep the website, keep making monthly money, and keep expanding your network. Because if you have 10 websites in your network और उसके बाद आप 11th website बना रहे हो तो आपको उसको rank करने में difficulty नहीं होगी.
Okay. Next question is how do you put installer ads? It is in form of banner or it's in form of link, or how do you put it?
These are download links. So आप download के buttons जो होते हैं ना, these are like download Snapchat for PC, download Tinder for PC. So आप उसके buttons में लगाते हो and when someone comes वो download करते हैं तो उसमें आपको paper install दे, you get paid.
Next question, link building should be done for homepage or should be done for post?
थोड़ा like just distribute it among different pages. Homepage की authority तो बनाओ ही, but जैसे जैसे आपको लगे ना कि like यार ये post है, ये मैंने परसों डाला था और ये ऊपर आ रहा है, तो थोड़े से links वहाँ पे डाल दो. Google always likes कि आपके anchor text, आपकी link profile diversify हो. So try to create different kind of pages पे आप backlinks बनाओ. It will be good.
Okay. Do we need to make backlink on English site or French site only? Which French?
Only
anchor text?
French websites. Anchor text भी French use करो, anchor text को diversify करो. The whole point is आपको French market से ही backlinks उठाने हैं, तो उसमें आपकी relevancy improve होगी and your site will rank.
I think I have covered all the questions. If I have missed any, guys, you have 2 minutes more time. You can write down the question anywhere. I will take.
How many people do we have live on Facebook and how many on Zoom?
Zoom we have 175 left, and taking on Facebook. 1 second. I think all the questions are being repeated now. And most of the questions we have covered.
Right. So guys, I will just suggest you कि ना be among those 2 to 5% of guys जो ये webinar attend कर रहे हैं और जो actually में action लेंगे. So just do it or see the results. Share the results with me. My email ID is suvithjags@gmail.com. उस पे अगर आपको क्वेश्चन हो इस मेथड को करने के बाद, कोई भी डाउट हो आप पूछ सकते हो. एंड डू शेयर अ रिव्यू ऑफ दिस वेबिनार ऑन योर फेसबुक प्रोफाइल. मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना या हैशटैग यूज करना वेबिनार विद जैक्स. और
आप ग्रुप में भी शेयर कर सकते हो या फिर आप टाइमलाइन पे भी शेयर कर सकते हो, कहीं पे भी शेयर कर सकते हो.
एग्जैक्टली. आप एक वेल फिल्टर्ड अच्छी 1000+ कीवर्ड्स की लिस्ट हमने बनाई है आपके लिए एंड वी आर आल्सो गोना स्पॉन्सर वन ऑफ यू. तो वो आपको मिलेगी. वी जस्ट वांट कि इस वेबिनार को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक इट गेट्स आउट इन ब्लॉगोस्फेयर एंड मोर पीपल बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट. और नेक्स्ट टाइम ज्यादा लोग आए. I'll make sure कि next time का जो method है वो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा.
Definitely. Thank you, Gaurav. Rest guys, I'm not covering some very basic questions out there, how to make keyword, how to use group SEO tools, how to make and stuff like that. That is very easily available over our other webinar. You can check that.
Okay, bye-bye. Good night.
Bye, Gaurav.
Take care.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for joining us. And don't forget to join our group and subscribe for more.